clean one of these bathroom fans is super easy. It may look like there's no way to take it down, but the way it attaches is super easy to take down. So you're going to find which side. So this side's not working if I pull it down, but if I try the other side, you'll see it starts to come down, and it may seem like something's going to break, but this is the way it's supposed to go. So we're just going to pull it down like this, and then now it is hanging down, and you'll see in here there's these little tabs. So those tabs are what's holding it on. So what you do is you squeeze those tabs in, and you probably should be wearing safety glasses because you might get some sheet rock in your eyes. And then that's how it comes down. But you're gonna want all of this dust and stuff off of here, and you should turn off the breaker so that you don't get shocked by the electrical. But you see how dangerous that is? Anytime you have dust or paper or hair on top of wires that get hot, that could actually cause a house fire. Bathroom fans are the #6 cause of house fires, so it's very important that you clean this. It's super easy, something that you could just do yourself. Taking off the cover is the most difficult part, but once you do that, just make sure that this motor is completely clean. And there might be some stuff on the fan. Mine doesn't have that much stuff on the fan, but just vacuum in here, make sure there's nothing on the wires. And now taking this panel, putting this panel back is a little bit tricky, but it's pretty much just as easy as taking it down. So I'm just getting these last pieces of dust out of there. Big piece. Like that. You could also unplug this so it doesn't have power. But there we go. All clean. And look at all that fell down. This was super dirty, fire waiting to happen. So now you're just going to use these tabs. So it's just spring loaded. You find where it goes in. Right there. And then it feels kind of weird, but all you have to do is push it in and it gets stuck back in, and there we go. That's how you clean your bathroom fan.